This is Shantan Kumar, Department of Mathematics, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Dundikal, Hyderabad. Today topic is non-homogeneous terms of the type that is f of x is equal to that is e power of x is a condition. In previous classes, we need to find that complementary functions. Under the complementary functions, that four methods are we discussed properly. Today, we are going to discuss there is a particular integration. That means whenever the given function is the right side is that means q is equal to, or sometimes it is a capital X of, that means in terms of the q or x is equal to, we need to assume that is e power of x is the given problem, then how to find the solution. First, we will go to discuss what is a higher order linear homogeneous differential equation of the constant coefficients. An equation of the form d power n y by dx power n plus p1 into d power of n minus y by dx power n minus 1 plus p2 into d power of n minus 2 into y by dx power n minus 2 plus so on, that is a pn into y is equal to p of x, where p1 comma p2 comma up to so on pn are the real constants, and also q of x is a continuous function of x is called and linear differential equation of the nth order with constants coefficients. And here today we are going to discuss the general procedure for finding the particular integral. And it is nothing but the particular integration is, we assume that is a pi, that is a ypi is nothing but 1 by f of d into q of x is a condition. That means with respect to the right side is a value of the given differential equation. And under the particular integration of the solutions, four cases are available. One is a case that is a q is equal to the given equation is a e power of x, and second one, the equation is involving in terms of trigonometric, that is a sin ax or cos ax, and the trigonometric function, it is a case 3, that is a q is equal to x power m, and case 4 is equal to the q of x equal to e power of x into v is the function. Now we will go to discuss that is a type 1, that is a case 1, that is a q is equal to e power of ex. That means sometimes it is a capital X of x is also considered e power of x. Therefore, if it is a e power of x is given, we need to write the particular integration, the procedure 1 by f of d into q, that is 1 by f of d into that q is equal to e power of ax, and here replace the d is equal to a is a value. That means that f of d is equal to, by replacement of d is equal to a, that is f of a is a value. Whenever the equation denominator which is not equal to 0. And in case if the denominator which is equal to 0, after replacement of d is equal to a, you need to multiplication with x into 1 by, that is f dash of a. That means after derivating that is d, you need to put once again the d is equal to denominator a. That means x into, that is e power of x by, that is f dash of a is a value. And provided that is also f dash of a is not equal to 0. And similarly, here it is also further f dash of a is also 0. Once again we need to multiplication with the x, that is nothing but x square into e power of ax by, that is f double dash of a, provided f double dash of a is equal to 0, until this procedure whenever the denominator which is not equal to 0. Next one, solve the d square minus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to 4 into e power 3x. When we are going to observe in this problem, that LHS side and RHS side they are asking to find the solution. That means we need to find out what is the complementary function as well as the particular integration. Therefore, the complementary function, it is equal to, according to the procedure we discussed previously, we need to find out what is the auxiliary equation, and again what is the solution of m is equal to the replacement of d is equal to m only. Therefore, it is m is equal to d is equal to m, that is m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. By solving here, that is equal to m is equal to 1 comma 2 is the solution. Therefore, these are the different root. Therefore, the complementary function is equal to c1 into e power of x plus c2 into e power of 2x is the value. Now we need to find out what is the particular integration, that is according to our requirement, that is ypi is equal to, that is 1 by f of d into e power of x. That means 1 by, that is a d square minus 3d plus 2 is a given differential equation, into 4 into e power of 3x is the value. Therefore, you need to replace in the denominator d is equal to a, that is nothing but a is equal to, here the value is a 3 value. that is according to e power of ax is equal to, that is given the problem is e power of, that is 3x is a value. Therefore, you need to replace these a is equal to, that is 3. Therefore, 4 into e power of 3x into 1 by, that is 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 2 is the value. Therefore, the solution of here, the particular integration is clearly, which is the denominator which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the solution is, we assume t into e power of 3x is the value. Therefore, the solution of this equation is y is equal to the complementary function plus particular integration, that is additions. Therefore, the solution we can assume y is equal to c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power 2x plus 2 into e power of 3x is the final solution. Now we'll go to discuss one other. There is a solve d minus 2 whole cube into y is equal to 7 into e power of 2x is value. Therefore, that is a complementary function is nothing but auxiliary equation. The replacement of d is equal to m. Therefore, m square, m minus 2 whole cube is equal to 0. Therefore, clearly the solutions are m is equal to 2 comma 2 comma 2 is a 3 repeated, thrice times repeated. Therefore, with the help of the case, the solution c1 plus c2x into e power c3 into x square into e power of 2x. Next, we need to find out what is the particular integration. That is yp is equal to 1 by f of d into q is the value. Therefore, 1 by f of d is nothing but d minus 2 into q is equal to 7 into e power of 2x. But here, the denominator, when we are going to replace the d is equal to a, that is a 2 value, the denominator which is clearly, that is a 0 denominator. The denominator d is equal to a is equal to 2 is a 0 is a 3 times it is repeated. Why? Because the d minus 2 whole cube is a value. Therefore, by the formula, it is a x cube by 3 factorial into e power of 2x is a value. Therefore, it is x, 3 factorial is nothing but that is 6. Therefore, the complete solution of the equation is a y is equal to c1 plus c2x plus c3x square into 2x plus 17 by 6 into x cube into, that is e power of 2x is the value. Now, we'll go to discuss same. This is the continuation of basic, this is the methods. Solve that 4d square minus 4d plus 1 into y is equal to 100 is the value. Therefore, that auxiliary equation of the complementary function, that is 4m square minus 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. The equation we assume, that is 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to, the solutions are 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is a value. Therefore, this is the 1 by 2 is a repeated. Therefore, with the help of the solution, we need to consider c1 plus c2x into e power of x by 2, and particular integration you need to assume, that is a 100 by 4d square minus 4d plus 1 is the value. But in this right side, the d power term which is not given any term variable, but we assume that 1 is nothing but e power of 0x. Therefore, 100 into e power of 0x by, that is a 4d square minus 4d plus 1 is the value. That also we assume that there is a 2d minus 1 whole square. Once again, when we are going to replace the d is equal to 0, therefore, the denominator which is not equal to 0. According to the procedure, it is a solution particular integration is 100. Therefore, the total general solution of the given differential equation is a complementary function plus the particular integration. Therefore, the complementary function, the solution is a c1 plus c2x into e power of x by 2 plus 100 is a particular integration. Now, we need to discuss one other, that is based upon that. Solve that d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square into y is equal to e power of minus 2x plus 2 into sine hx is the value. Therefore, the given equation is a, you assume that equation 1, that is d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square into y is equal to e power minus 2x plus 2 into sine hx is the value. Once again, when we are going to finding that there is a complementary function by replacement of d is equal to m, the solution is a m plus 2 into m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. By solving here, m is equal to, the roots are minus 2 comma 1 comma 1. When we are going to observing here, it is the root is a minus 2 is a different, 1 is a repeated. Based upon that here, the case is a 1, together case is a 2. Then we need to write that there is a complementary function is a yc is equal to c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 plus c3 into x is equal to into e power of x is the value. Now we need to find out the particular integration. That according to the particular integration, when we are going to consider the right side, that is a 1 by d plus 2 into d minus 2 whole square into the q is equal to e power minus 2x plus 2 into sin hx. Here the sin hx we need to write in the form of that e power x minus x by 2. Then 2 to it will be cancelled. The total term is a e power minus 2x plus e power x minus x by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square. When you are going to observing here also, here the right side is in place of q is equal to the three parts. One is a part 1 is a e power 2x, the part 2 is a e power x, the part 3 is a e power minus x. Therefore, we need to do that according to particular integration 1, particular integration 2 and particular integration 3. First of all, we need to find out what is the particular integration 1. Here, the d power of minus 2x by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square. But here, the d is equal to a is the denominator when we are going to replace that 0. Therefore, the case 1, that is x into e power of minus 2x by, that is a denominator derivative. Therefore, the solution is clearly ypa is equal to, that is a yp1 is equal to x into e power of minus 2x by 9 is the value. Now, we need to do that, that is a particular integration 2. The second one, that is e power of x is the value. That also e power x by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square. The denominator which is a 2 times, it is a denominator which is 0. By using the case of failure, we need to write in that second 2 times derivative, and after that simplification, you obtain that clearly, that is x square into e power x by, that is a 6 is the value. Therefore, ypa is equal to, that is a yp1 is equal to, that is a x into e power of minus x by 9. That pa2 is equal to x square into e power x by 6. Now we need to find out what is the p3, that is the meaning of e power minus x by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square. But here, the denominator which is not equal to 0, we need to replace the directly d is equal to minus 1, that is a value. Therefore, that p3 is nothing but you obtain that e power minus x by 4 is the value. Therefore, the conclusion of here, the general solution of the equation is the complementary function plus yp1 plus yp2 plus yp3 is the value. Therefore, the solution is c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 plus c3 into x into e power x plus x into e power minus 2x by 9 plus x square by x square into e power x by 6 minus e power minus x by, that is a 4 is a value. Now, we need to solve the differential equation, that is a d square plus 5d plus 6 into y is equal to e power x. Here also, we need to find out what is the auxiliary equation, that is a complementary function to need to find. Therefore, the replacement of d is equal to m. By solving that here m is equal to, you obtain that m is equal to r minus 3 is a value. Therefore, the roots are the different and real value. Therefore, with the help of that yc is equal to c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 into e power minus 3x is the value. Ypa is equal to, you need to find out that is a 1 by d plus 2 into, that is a d plus 3 into e power of x is the value. Now, we need to replace according to that a is equal to 1, that is a d is equal to 1. The denominator which is reduced to pa is equal to 1 by 3 into, that is a 4 into e power of x is the value. Therefore, it is a complete solution of the equation is a c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 into e power minus 3x. The particular integration is the e power x by, that is a 12 is the solution. Now, we need to solve that y double dash minus 4y dash plus 3y is equal to 4 into e power minus 3x. And here in this problem, given that there is initial value problems, the initial conditions are here, y of 0 is equal to minus 1 and y dash of 0 is equal to, that is a 3 is a value. Therefore, the given differential equation you write in the form of the operator form, and after reduce it to like that auxiliary equation. Next, we need to find out what is the solution of the auxiliary equation. Therefore, by reduce it to auxiliary operator form, there is a d square minus 4d plus 3. When you are going to change it like that auxiliary equation, m square minus 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we need to solve that m is values. Therefore, the m is equal to 1 comma 3. Therefore, these are the different roots, and again which is equal to m is equal to 1 comma 3. Therefore, the complementary function is a c1 into e power 3x plus c2 into e power x is a value. While we are going to do that, there is a particular integration, that is a ypa is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. Therefore, 1 by d minus 1 into d minus 3 into e power of 4 into e power of 3x. And here, the denominator when we are going to replace the d is equal to a, that is a 3. Here the case is a failure. Therefore, by using the case of failure, now we need to multiplication according to, and after that multiplication here, we need to get that is a solution is a particular integration is a 2x in d power of, that is a 3x. Therefore, the general solution of here, y is equal to c1 in d power 3x plus c2 in d power of x plus 2x in d power of 3x. Now, we need to do that according to by using the initial value problems. We need to eliminate the values are c1 comma c2. Here the initial values are given that according to y of 0 is equal to minus 1, y dash of 0 is equal to 3. Therefore, with the help of the given, that is the third equation, you need to apply the derivative, and again by using the derivative, you need to replace that according to y of 0 is equal to minus 1, y dash of 0 is equal to 3. Here further we obtain that is c1 plus c2 is equal to minus 1 and 3c1 plus c2 is equal to 1 is the value. By solving here, that is the fifth one and sixth one, you eliminate the c1 comma c2. Therefore, c1 is equal to 1 and c2 is equal to minus 2. Hence, the total solution of the given differential equation is nothing but minus into y is equal to minus 2 into e power x plus 1 plus 2x into that is e power 3x is the final solution. That means, whenever the given equation is involving like that initial value, finally we eliminate that c1 comma c2 by using the complementary function, particular integration, you eliminate that c1 constant values, we need to eliminate. Now, we need to discuss according to d square minus 4d minus 1 into y is equal to e power minus 3x. Therefore, that is again we need to write what is the auxiliary equation. By solving that auxiliary equation, the roots are here, we need to do that, whether the roots are the different, equal, complex or such. But in this problem, according to by solving here, after it is to like that auxiliary and by solving that here, there is a 2 plus or minus root 5 is the value. Therefore, these are in the form of suds. Or if it is treated as according to the different roots, there is a into e power of 2 plus root 5x plus b into e power of that is a 2 minus root 5x is the value. Now we need to do that what is a particular integration, that is 1 by that is a d square minus 4d minus 1 into e power of minus 3x. And here also that a is equal to minus 3, the replacement of d is equal to that is a is equal to minus 3. By replacement of all this value, you obtain that according to e power of minus 3x by 20. That means the denominator which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the solution of the given differential equation is y is equal to complementary function, addition of the particular integration. Therefore, the solution y is equal to that is a into e power of 2 plus root 5 of x plus b into e power of 2 minus root 5 into x plus the particular integration is e power of minus 3x by that is a 20 is a value. Now we need to do that d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to e power of 2x plus e power of x is the value. And here also, when you are going to reduce it to like the auxiliary equation, that LHS part, m square minus 2m plus 1. By solving here, m is equal to 1 comma 1. Therefore, the roots are the repeated according to the procedure ax plus b into e power of x. Otherwise, you need to consider c1 plus c2x into that is e power of that is a mx is nothing but 1x, that is nothing but x is a value. Now, we need to find out what is the particular integration, that is with the help of the 1 by d square minus 2d plus 1, that is a p1 and also p2 is also we need to find out. Therefore, with the help of the p1 and with the help of the p2, therefore, one of the cases is a failure, one of the cases is a not failure. By using that here, not failure, the solution is e power of 2x is a p1 and with the help of the d is equal to 1, the root is case is a failure, that is a 2 times. Therefore, the 2 times we need to derivative multiplication that x square. Therefore, the solution is also x square into that is e power x by 2 is the value. Therefore, the general solution of here, that is a ax plus b into e power x plus with the help of the particular integration e power 2x plus x square by 2 into e power x is a value. Now we need to discuss that is a 3d square plus d minus 14 into y is equal to 4 minus 13 into e power of minus 7 by 3 into x is a value. And here also the auxiliary equation is nothing but put d is equal to m. By solving the d is equal to m, you obtain that is the equation is a 3m square plus m minus 14 is equal to 0. By solving here, you obtain the roots are the two different roots. One is a minus 7 by 3 and 2. Therefore, by the case of the different root, you assume that complementary function is a a into e power of minus 7 by 3x plus b into e power of 2x. Otherwise, you assume that c1 into e power of minus 7 by 3x plus c2 into e power of 2x is also valid. Next, we need to find out what is the particular integration. Here, two terms are here. Therefore, one of the term is 1 by 3d square plus d minus 14 into e 4 in, but there is no exponential value that you treated as a 4 into e power of 0x. Therefore, d is equal to replacement of 0. Therefore, that p1 is nothing but you obtain minus 4 by that is a 14 is a value. And similarly, we need to find out what is the p2 also, that is 1 by 3d square plus d minus 14 into minus 13 into e power of minus 7 by 3 into x is the value. But here, the denominator which is a one term, it is a 0, there is a case is a failure. Therefore, by using that first derivative multiplication with x and replace d is equal to that is a minus 7 by 3, and after that total value is a x into e power of minus 7 by 3 into x is a value. Therefore, the general solution of here y is equal to a into e power of minus 7 by 3x plus b into e power of 2x minus 2 by 7 plus x into e power of minus 7 by 3 into x is a value. Now, solve the differential equation here also, that is d square minus 2d minus 3 into y is equal to 3 into e power of 2x. Therefore, first we need to find out what is the complementary function. The complementary function is with the help of the LHS side by changing to operator form, and again the auxiliary equation. By solving, you obtain that clearly that d is equal to or m is equal to 3 comma minus 1. Therefore, the roots are the different. You need to consider c1 into e power 3x plus c2 into e power minus 6 and find the particular integration. Therefore, 1 by f of d into q, that is nothing but 1 by the d is f of d is the d square minus 2d minus 3 into e power of 2x, and here also case is an all failure. That means the denominator which is not equal to 0 after replacement of d is equal to a value. Therefore, that hence the solution is nothing but pa is nothing but minus e power 2x is the value. Therefore, the general solution of this equation is a c1 into e power 3x plus c2 into e power minus 6 minus e power of minus 2x is the solution. Now we need to discuss, that is a solve the differential equation dq minus 3d square plus 4d minus 2 into y is equal to e power x. Again here also, while we are going to solving, that is operator form, that is by using the auxiliary equation. Therefore, the roots of the equation is a 1 comma 1 plus or minus I is the value. Therefore, 1 is the different, 1 plus or minus I is the complex. Therefore, with the help of the cases, you need to assume complementary function is equal to, that is YCF is equal to c1 into e power x plus c2 plus e power x into c2 into cos x plus c3 into sin x. Now we need to find out what is the particular integration. Therefore, the particular integration is obtained with the help of that 1 by, that is a d cube minus 3d square plus 4d minus 2 into e power x. When we are going to replace here d is equal to a is equal to 1, the denominator which is 0. Therefore, multiplication with x according to the procedure, 1 by, that is f dash of d, and once again that replacement of dash, that is a d is equal to a. Therefore, that final solution is a x into e power x is a solution. Therefore, now we need to find out d square by dx square minus 4y is equal to cos hyperbola of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power of x is the value. And it is something different problem, that is symbolically, if it is considered there is a operator form, that is a d, by solving the LHS side, it is clearly obtained, there is a d is equal to plus or minus 2, there is a c1 into e power 2x plus c2 into e power minus 2x. Because of this root is a not repeated, it is a different root only. Therefore, we need to find out what is the particular integration, that is 1 by d square minus 4 into, that is cos hyperbola of 2x minus 1 into x plus 1 by d square minus 4 into e 3 power of x. Here also, that one of that cos hyperbola of 2x minus 1, you need to reduce it to exponential, that is with the help of that exponential, after that modification, that is e power of 2x minus 1 plus e power of minus 2 of 2x plus minus 1 by 2 plus other terminology, that is 1 by d square minus 4 into 3 power x. The 3 power x is treated as e power of x into log 3. Because of it is a e power of x log 3 is also nothing but that is a 3 power of x is the value. Therefore, it is a first term, it is a clearly you obtain that 1 by 2e into something like that. But in the second case, that is a e power of x into log 3, that is nothing but written as log 3 into x. Therefore, a is equal to that is a log 3 only. By using this condition, everything you obtain that clearly after reduce it like that. Once again, the reverse of the exponential hyperbola, that is x by 4 into that is sine hyperbola of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power of x by that is log 3 whole square minus 4. Therefore, the complete solution of the equation is a c1 into e power 2x plus c2 into e power minus 2x plus x by 4 into sine of hyperbola of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x by log 3 whole square minus 4 is the value. Therefore, these are the some of the problems based upon the right hand side. Whenever the given function q is equal to e power ax, then how to find the solution. That is depend upon that the given problem is the two parts, you need to divide the two parts. If the parts are the three parts, you need to divide like the three parts. And if it is not standard form, you need to do that according to the standard form. And if it is a given problem is a like case of failure, then you, until the problem, the denominator which is not equal to 0, then you need to multiplication with x, the denominator derivative, and again replacement of d is equal to a. That is a conclusion. And after that, totally the LHS side and again the right side, there is a complementary as well as the particular integration. When we are adding the two sides, that is a general solution of the given differential equation, that is y is equal to ycf plus ypa is the meaning of the complementary function plus that is a particular integration. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.